Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ramishri MG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Kumta. We'll discuss BCom 5th semesters, Accounting Theory, Unit 5, Accounting Standards, Part 3, International Accounting Standards Committee, Uses of International Accounting Standards. In the previous part, we discussed benefits, limitations, and classification of accounting standards. Part 3 discussion covers International Accounting Standards Committee, the objectives of International Accounting Standard Committee, organization, membership of International Accounting Standards Committee, users of International Accounting Standards and users of International Accounting Standards. International Accounting Standards Committee. In order to maintain uniformity in accounting principles throughout the world, International Accounting Standards Committee came into being on 29/6/1973 in London at the initiative of Sir Henry Benson, former president of the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales. The committee's headquarters are at London. The IASC was created by national accountancy bodies from a number of countries with a view to harmonize the international diversity of company reporting practices. So far, IASC has issued 41 international accounting standards. On 1st April 2001, it was replaced by the International Accounting Standards Board IASB, an independent standard setting body. The IASB adopted the extant corpus of international accounting standards, which it continued to develop as international financial reporting standards. The objectives of International Accounting Standards Committee are the objectives of IASC, which are set out in its revised agreement and constitutions, to formulate and publish in the public interest accounting standards to be observed in presentation of financial statements and to promote their worldwide acceptance and observations, and to work for the improvement and harmonization of regulating accounting standards and procedures relating to the presentation of financial statements. Organization of International Accounting Standards Committee Foundation includes membership, the trustees, the International Accounting Standards Board, Standing Interpretation Committee, enforcement of international accounting standards, intergovernmental organization, for example, European Union, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, Intergovernmental Working Group of Experts on International Standards of Accounting and Reporting. Acceptance of international accounting standards by International Organization of Securities Commission. The membership of International Accounting Standards Committee includes the committee is a collaborative undertaking involving representatives from the following countries: United Kingdom and Ireland counted as one, United States of America, Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Japan, Mexico, Netherlands, and India. The International Accounting Standards Committee comprises the professional accountancy bodies of 75 countries. Users of International Accounting Standards. The first user, investors, and the reason for use is to assess past performance as a basis for future investment. Employees, they are using to assess the performance as a basis of future wage and salary negotiation and as a basis for continuity of employment and job security. Lenders are using to assess performance in relation to the security of their loan to the company. Suppliers are using to assess performance in relation to them receiving payment of their liability. Customers are using to assess performance in relation to the likelihood of continuity of trading. Government are using to assess performance in relation to compliance to regulations and assessment of taxation liabilities. Public are using to assess performance in relation to ethical issues. Now, the uses of international accounting standards or benefits. International accounting standards are used as the basis for national accounting requirements in many countries, as an international benchmark by certain countries which develop their own requirements, by stock exchange and regulatory authorities that allow or require foreign domestic companies to present financial statements in accordance with international accounting standards. At the end, globally comparable accounting standards promote transparency, accountability, and efficiency in financial markets around the world. This enables investors and other market participants to make informed economic decisions about investment opportunities and risk and improves capital allocation. International Accounting Standards Committee is permitting alternatives in many areas of reporting practices. These are the references. Thank you for watching.